Right, today we're going to look at scarifying the lawn. We used to do this in the autumn every 2 or 3 years, just to get rid of any old grass, any moss if you've got a really wet boggy lawn, and give it a good rake. Get yourself a springbok rake or a springtime rake, that's the best one to use for it. Press down really hard and just scratch the surface. That's what you'll end up with, which is all the old grass stems, all just kind of loose grass, moss, whatever's in the lawn. And then what you'll be left with is, it looks a bit messy, but just the old growth, and you're just letting the air and water back into there, ready for the spring. And you can apply an autumn feed now or in the spring. Keep on raking it, press down hard and keep on going crisscross. If you've got a huge lawn, what you can do, instead of going around with a rake, just take the days, good for you. You can either get a mechanical one, a petrol driven one, or an electric scarifier, which will get rid of all of this for you in one go. When you've got a pile of this, add to the compost heap. It won't hurt it. It's just like grass cuttings.